Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to install better than Bunnies mod for 1.8.9, aka Easter Bunny mod, which adds hats to bunnies. Let's scroll all the way down and let's go and download the 1.8.9 mod. So scroll down, go to here, press download, press here download, and then press keep. Close this before the ads load. You can press it again if it doesn't download or redirects you to ads. Now we're gonna go to Forge. We're gonna press the download recommended one for 1.8.9. Also, I'll leave the links for both of these websites in the description so you can go and download these things. Anyway, you have to wait here, press skip, and that's going to be downloaded. Now we're going to be minimizing this, keeping both and putting them up here. And we're going to be minimizing this and my recording software, and now we're going to have these two here. Anyway, now we're going to install Forge, so double click Forge and press OK as it is. Mine's gonna say it's complete, successfully installed, but it might take you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. That's fine. And we're gonna press OK. Now we're gonna go install the mods. We're gonna go percent data percent. Find.minecraft could be up here or in the bottom. Go into it and find the mods folder. If there isn't one, that's fine. Just to right click, create new folder, name it mods like you see here. Go into it, and if you have other mods here, move them somewhere else, remove them. I'm just gonna delete it. I don't need it. Because some mods don't work together, they just crash. So you don't, if you want to play some mods, make sure they all work together. Anyway, we want to put the mod in here. So better than Bunnies mod, you can drag it, you can copy paste it, you can cut paste it. There's many ways. It's just I'm gonna drag it. We're gonna close this. We can also delete the installer log. We don't need this. We're gonna double click Minecraft. Now we're gonna find 1.8.9. Just scroll up and down, find it, select it like that. If also guys, we want to go here. As you can see, this one is 2318. We want to make sure it's 2318 here, 1.8.9, because if you installed Forge like 2 years ago, you might have the older version and it might not work. If it doesn't, if you have the older version and it doesn't work, then go delete and reinstall the new Forge version so it matches up. Anyway, now press play and we should be in the game. It's gonna be loading the game now. As you guys can see, if we go to the mods, better than Bunnies mod is active. Now we're gonna go single player, create a new world. We're gonna see if it works. Okay, hope the world is loading now. As you guys can see, bunny, how do you call them? Right, I'll need to find them. Where is it? Rabbit, not bunny. Oh, here we go. Interesting. So, as you can see, guys, it works. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.